students. In this video I'll be covering some more questions on income method to estimate national income. Now in this question we are required to calculate GDP at market price and NNP at factor cost, which is also the national income. And let us see what information is given to us. We are given consumption of fixed capital, that is depreciation, employer contribution to social security scheme 30, rent 10, interest 20, profit 25, royalty 5, wages 20, compensation of employees 170, net indirect taxes 38 and net factor income 2 abroad. बेटा बहुत ध्यान से carefully you should mark it. This is net factor income 2 abroad. Now net factor income from abroad we add to get national income, but this is net factor income 2 abroad, so it will be subtracted from the domestic income to get national income. Let us see how it will be done. I'll start with the solution. As we all know, the first of all the aggregate which is to be calculated is it's NDP at factor cost, and we'll be writing the formula for NDP at factor cost. It is compensation of employees plus rent and interest and profit, that is the operating surplus, and mixed income. Mixed income in this question is not given to us, so we will ignore it. Now NDP at factor cost is COA is given 170. Now when we are given compensation of employees, we should not take employer contribution to social security scheme again. Why? Because it is already included in COA. COA already includes employer contribution to social security scheme, so it will not be taken again. इसमें already included है बच्चे. Rent and royalty is 10 plus 5. Interest is given 20. Profit is given 25. Now we have taken rent, interest, profit and royalty. Wages again will not be used in this question. Why we should not take wages? Because it is already a part of compensation of employees. Now if we add these factors, 170 plus 10 plus 5 plus 20 plus 25, we get 230. It's 230 crore, that is the NDP at factor cost. But we are required to calculate in this question NNP at factor cost. So NNP at factor cost can be obtained from NDP at factor cost by adding NFIA. But since it is net factor income 2 abroad, so we will subtract it. It's net factor income 2 abroad. It has to be subtracted now. So 230 minus 3, this is 227 crore, which is the NNP at factor cost, which we were required to calculate in this question. And then the next aggregate is GDP at market price. GDP at market price we can obtain from NDP at factor cost. Now see, what is the difference between these two? This is net, this is gross. So we should add depreciation. This is at factor cost, this is at market price. So we should add net indirect taxes. Now 230 plus depreciation is given 34 and net indirect taxes are given 38. We'll add these three, and adding these three we'll get 302 crore. This is 302 crore. That is the GDP at market price.